Yeah, right now we in Joplin right now, man. We just looking at this devastation from these tornadoes that happened about a couple months ago. So I'm just really thanking the Lord right now because it just as well could have came up down to Arkansas and tore us up just as bad. So, man, it's just real, man. We blessed, y'all. Real spirit. Whoa, man. Shoot. Gosh.
Everything working.
Dang. Gosh. Dang, man. Ooh-wee. All right, y'all, I'm gonna close this on out though, but we have about 5 hours left until we get in this game. McDonald's is still up and running though.